Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. My name is Christina Stone Kaiser. I am cooking today from the Forks Over Knives Winter Magazine, and I'm so excited. We are making a mole-style chili with tamale croutons. So you can see the croutons there, and then you can see the chili below. And how exciting! I mean, tamale croutons, which is basically like a polenta crouton, which I have in the oven now broiling. I also have a couple batches of this chili going, actually a double batch and a single batch. So just to kind of talk you through this part of it, it's everything you'd expect from chili, right? So you start with your 8 ounces of mushroom, your cup of onion, your cup of red pepper, your 3 cloves of garlic, and you saute that, in this case, in a steam saute. Then you add in your spices, a tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. What else is in there? There's cinnamon, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of almond butter. So that goes in, and just like 1 or 2 minutes after you've been sauteing your saute-like vegetables, then you throw in all the rest of your ingredients as you would. Your can of black beans, your can of pinto, your can of diced tomato, your can of tomato sauce, all small 15-ounce cans, and 2 cups of vegetable broth. And you let that simmer. Also a cup and a half of corn, fire roasted if you have it. I did not have it. You let that simmer for 30 to 40 minutes just to meld the flavors. And then of course what you get is chili. But chocolate, cocoa powder in your chili gives it a little bit of a dark flavor. That's what the mole is. And then we have these croutons. So you can buy a roll of polenta. It's a half roll per one batch, but in my family it's always double. So you can cut that into 1/2-inch cubes, that roll. I couldn't find the roll, so I just made polenta from scratch. Once I made it from scratch using the directions, I cut it into cubes, set it out on that tray, and it's broiling 4 to 5 inches on high for 8 to 10 minutes, but I always like my croutons a little like crunchy, so I am probably going to do 15. So we are almost to 15 minutes now. And these are done at this point, which means that I'll be ready to serve in not too long of a time. Oh my gosh. So let me just kind of show you what's going on with these croutons. So here they are, fresh right now. And I'm just looking for them to be dry on the outsides to not be sticky. And so even after they're done cooking, I'll allow them to sit out and just get a little bit drier. And that way you get a reasonable sort of crunch. But it's gonna just top it, and then you can top your chili with jicama, cilantro, pumpkin seeds, anything like that to give you a little extra crunch if you want. And that is the meal. So I hope that sounds exciting to you. I am totally excited, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.